Hello gamers and welcome in today's video. I'm Barsam and in today's video we're going from a noob to pro with the sound fruit. I just got this fruit from the pirate raid and I had one already, so I ate it and I'm pretty sure you will see the video. This and see if it's any good, and I would really appreciate that if you like and subscribe because apparently people think if you like and subscribe you will die, but that's actually not true. That's cap, guys. Don't believe everything you see on the internet. So yeah, let's just start. And the first boss I'm gonna kill is gonna be the beautiful parrot that I struggle a lot when killing it, so I think I'm gonna get cooked, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna just get the island empire. After such a long time, let's go. Level 70, 18, 90 and 98. Not bad. In case for the people who didn't see the move very well, here is the first move. You can do it 3 times and okay. Yeah, I think you need to do it fast for it to work. Like you gotta do it. Yeah, and it does 4,000 and half damage. Okay. Nice, okay, wait, that was actually not that bad. And I have to, okay, not bad. It's like a wave. The third move and okay. The moves are not that bad, but they are not that like OP, like if you want to say. But okay guys, we finally have 3 of our moves. We only need 175 for fly moves. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. Let's just go around, guys. Guys, I just found out something. If you do the third move and after it's done, it will wherever you are pointing at, throw a ball, the shiny ball. God damn it! And the shiny ball will do 4,000 damage. Hit that shiny ball. Look. See, 4,000 damage. God damn it! This food is actually not that bad for grinding. Guys, I was actually right. The tempometer goes up. The damage you take gets so much lower. Like this. Okay, look how much damage I'm taking now. Like 300 per hit. Okay, now wait till my meteor is gone, and now 1,000. That's actually so good. I didn't knew that. Okay guys, but the most important thing about the fruit is the luck. Let's see what will we get with the sound will be. Okay, we need to hit him with the sound so he knows. Give me a dragon or give me a kitsune. Let's go. What? What do you mean? You should 1,000, bro. Damn. Okay guys, let's go. Round 2. Zealous, come on, Zealous, give me a Kitsune. Guys, we got better than that. We got the ultra mythic Spring. Okay guys, we finally got our flight move, I'm pretty sure. Wait, it gets our tempometer up so fast, and oh my god, so beautiful. Like every move does their own sound, and this time the flight move does a different sound every time. No, it's the same sound, but it's so beautiful. The speed, it's not that bad. It's not that bad, I take it. And the good thing about your shield is that it won't disappear after the meteor is like completely empty. And it gets it full so fast. Oh my god, so good actually, not that bad. I like it. So yeah, we only need the last move, and yeah, let's grind it. And guys, whoever that likes and subscribes and comment their username, I will send them a friend request and give them my sound fruit. And yeah, I don't know if anyone wants the sound fruit that much, but because we're doing a Noob to Pro with sand, I'm gonna do that too. I wish that I had Robux so I could give you guys a perm, but because none of you like and subscribe, I can't. So that's the problem, but I will still give you guys a normal sound. Probably in future videos I will give away better fruit like dough probably, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, let's keep on grinding. So, okay guys, I'm gonna just stay here and farm the cookie crafters. They are so easy to farm, they are so cool together, and I think this over here is the best place to farm NPC if you want mastery.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, after so many hours, finally got the last move. Oh god, damn! Oh, wait a second, what did just happen? Guys, wait. The sound, wait. Okay, let me try it again. I didn't see what happened. Okay, glorious hammer. Okay, we have some shiny balls, as you can see. God damn, 7,000. I mean, that's good. So, and I forgot to tell you something about this fruit. This fruit is actually not that bad. The rarity is not that high, so you can probably get it so easily. It's not good for PvP, I'm gonna say that honestly. It's not good for grinding, it's very mid. So yeah, don't probably eat this. And yeah, thank you for watching, peace out.